We're out here with this kid.
Is this a video?
Maybe. Y'all ever know what it's like to live with an insulin pump? It's fucking awful sometimes. It yells at you all damn day, and it's really annoying. But I guess it keeps me alive, so that's good. Alright, what's up, bitches? It is the start of a new week. We got a nice Monday. But this isn't just any Monday. This is a Monday where I reveal one of my top secret recipes. Also, there's been a huge environmental change. We got snow! Snow! I don't really have any plans for today, but I think I'm gonna take you guys along and we'll see what happens. Probably end up doing a snowball fight with someone, who knows? We just don't know. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace!
You vlogging? Vlogging? PB&J? If you're vlogging, I'm just gonna keep talking. Then PB&J, and I just made that. I don't know what that is. Hopefully it's not expired. It's been in my refrigerator for the last 3 weeks. Hopefully I don't die from it, but I'm really hungry. It was from my mom's, and I don't know when she made it. Hopefully I don't die, so if you don't see me in the next vlog, then you know what went wrong.
Next guest.
We are. Yes. I'm in a class.
Good luck with that food, Caleb.
Thank you. I hope I don't die. It doesn't smell too bad.
It's fucking game time.
Police! Open up!
Oh my god. Fuck! I got him! Let's get him again!
Okay. Truce.
Aftermath.
Fuck, I gotta climb back into my room now.
Have fun. Don't fall, please.
Titus, what the fuck did I say about throwing snowballs in the house? Titus, I'm gonna beat your ass. You wanna have a snowball fight outside?
No, I'm not joining me for that.
Yes! Snowball fight! Let's go!
Holy shit, are you vlogging?
Yeah! I just got hella content, and that I can hear that bitch coming downstairs. He's got fucking snow! Oh shit! No, you're not. I know you're gonna throw that shit at me.
Of the snow.
I think we should have a snowball fight on the roof deck. Oh my god, did I get that on film? Wait, update?
I didn't die yet. The rice kinda tasted a little sus. So I didn't eat all the rice, but I ate that much.
Nice.
So I'm not gonna throw anymore. Why are you guys so scared?
Why are you so scared, Brett? I nailed you in the head with one.
Where did? Oh! Here I go.
Alright, y'all. Before we enter into Chef It Up Trey's kitchen, we need to know the safeties about cooking. And there is none. You go in Hail Mary style. At least that's how I do it. So, let's do it. Alright. So, currently I'm defrosting my chicken. I got about 2.5 pounds of chicken breast in here, and I got about another pound in here in the microwave. And this recipe is about as easy as it can get. All you need, some brown gravy mix, ranch dip mix, a stick of butter, and a jar. I would use both jars. I got 2 jars here, but a jar of pepperoncinis. Without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so first thing is, you get your chicken breasts out, and I apologize, they look kind of gross right now, but it's just because from the defrost thing. You get the chicken out, looks all great, and you lay it in the bottom of your crock pot. There's about 1.5 pounds. This isn't fully thawed, but whatever. It'll have to do. That was such a waste. Right,
You did release that big ass knife.
Then you get your next 2 breasts. They're still frosted on the bottom, but a little bit of. You get 1 in there. This is gonna be tight. All right. Now you got your chicken laid in the bottom. From here, you get your ranch dip sauce and your brown gravy sauce and your stick of butter. Now, the key with this is you gotta make sure all the sauces get equally across the whole thing. So you open up your ranch dip packet. Good as ever. And you just sprinkle it over that chicken like so, yeah. Yeah, get that shot, Josh, yep. Get it all over the chicken.
How exquisite. Delicious. I cannot wait to taste this.
Yes. And then this is the substitute. Normally I would have the au jus mix, but brown gravy mix works too. Sprinkle it off. Same thing. Get that nice and layered up. Now, if you have heart disease or, you know, on the verge of a heart attack, you don't want to have this because it has a lot of salt. So I'm just warning y'all. Then get your nice fat stick of butter and undo that sucker. Now, at first I think I was gonna throw the whole brick in, but I think I'm gonna get a knife and kind of just cut it in there. Yeah, one in here.
Why don't you use the big knife?
We could do that. All right, big knife. This is definitely how it goes. It's not working. Now that we got our butter in there, like so, we come over here, we get our pepperoncinis, open this bad boy up. You gotta make sure you taste test one. Oh yeah, those are good. You get some juice in there. And just start unloading them. I like putting a crap ton in there, so.
Oh shit!
That should be good. AKA the whole jar. So now that we've got that done, we now just wait. Turn this sucker on. We'll throw her on high for 6 hours. Yep. It usually takes about 4. 4 hours is fine. And then you gotta find the cap for the thingy dingy. Wherever that thing is. I think it's down here.
I believe so.
I see it. Now, like I said, you just turn the crock pot back on high. 6 hours, usually only needs 4. And then you lock that bitch up and she'll be ready. We'll get some footage later when we're eating it. I'll get the cameraman's review on it.
Hey!
What do we got around here now, Josh?
We got some snow.
Snow, baby! Ready?
You know what it is.
Is it rolling? Alright guys, it's me again. It's about 7:27 p.m. Yeah, see that? I got some boiling water here with some butter. Because I'm about to make these bad boys. is the last step. Just pour these in here, and it's game over.
Trey's going to kill
You ready? Oh! But you just keep stirring. You can see it starting to form. Alright, you can cut it. But potatoes are done. Chicken's done. It's time to go, baby. So now I'm gonna go put the food on the plate. It's gonna be pretty good. And voila. Here we have it. So good. So good!